Today, I'm making vegetable soup. I know it's not the fanciest of dishes, but I'm hungry and it'll do just fine. Let's start with some carrots. Next, we'll add some celery. The carrots and celery will be the main ingredients of the soup, other than spices and whatnot. And I know, you may be asking, Bagel Bird, that's not a lot of stuff. But you know, I'm a simple guy. Alright, now let's chop up the carrots and celery. We'll be using only one big carrot today. And 2 sticks of celery. Now that these guys are all chopped up, I'm going to put them in a mixing container. I'm going to scoop them up first. Oops, dropped one. Okay, let's wash this one off. Alright, that one should be good to put in the mix. Now, let's add some salt. We got some Portuguese flor de sal. Let's add some of that. Do a few of these guys. Alright, that should be good. Put this cork stuff on. And let's mix. Alright, now let's fill this up with 2 cups of water. Okay, almost there. Alright, 3 cups. Let's pour that in our pan. Now, let's add our veggies. Alright, I've turned the pan on to about 6, being a little closer to the medium, just as you can see here. Alright, let's let that simmer for a little bit, and then we'll add our spices and veggies. Alright, our water is seeming to simmer a little now. Let's add our veggies, and then spices. Right, those will be good for now. Let's pick out our spices. Alright, I'm looking at the mushroom umami and the ajika, loss of words, Georgian seasoning blend. So I say we mix those 2. Alrighty, now we got our 2 spices. Let's add them. I'm going to do a couple shakes of each. Should be good for the mushroom umami. Now let's do the ajika. Alrighty, that should be good to simmer for a little bit. Well, I say we mix it now. Also, it smells really good right now. Alright, let's do this thing. Oh, there you go. Whew. Smells delicious. Alright, I'll get right back. Listen to that bubbling. It's so nice. Got a few more little... It'll be ready in just a minute. Alright, I added a little more water. That should help. Alright, now I'm gonna pour. Thanks for watching.